All right, so today we're at Lakes Region Community College for their Festival on the Hill, where they're also hosting their George Dykstra Memorial Car Show. Check it out.
Well, this is an annual event that takes place to showcase all of our programs and the opportunities that our students have within career and industry. This year we are hosting our first car show, and we are doing a tribute to George Dykstra, who gave so much of his life and his spirit and his knowledge to create the workforce that we have today.
He made sure that every student was seen, was heard, and had the opportunity to be successful in their career. He connected business, industry, and education to create a tremendous network throughout northern New England.
As George Dykstra's son, it is an honor and privilege to be here. I want to thank you, Jamie Picao, and the entire event committee for your hard work and dedication in gathering us all here to celebrate 35 years of excellence in automotive education here at Lakes Region Community College.
And we're honored to have our Festival on the Hill celebrating automotive education that's been here right from the beginning. We have automotive in T10, which is Toyota and GM, and we're looking for our students, but we're really glad that our community's come out with some of these fantastic cars. We're glad everybody's here to celebrate such a great automotive area.